Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today I am headed to 63 Auto Body to get some work done on this car. Yes, some body work. So guys, let's go. Let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. First thing, shout out to my whole Boost in Motion family. Thank you guys for showing your support. And if you're new to the Boost in Motion channel, well, I'm Boost. And I'm definitely going to get some body work done to my car. So let's go on this quick journey to 63 Auto Body and see what the damage is. So we made it to 63 Auto Body. So I've worked with this shop for probably over 10 years, since my Q50 inception, long time ago, 10 years. So I am the friend of the owner. Also, he owns 63 Auto Body, which do all type of detailing work. I saw that. No. I can't. I gotta delete that out the video. Anyways, so 63 Auto Body, everything's gonna be done over here, and then they also keep some of their storage in this separate building too. So they do a lot of work, but they also work on a lot of Benzes. Benz, BMW, Benz, kind of a Benz, Aston Martin, right? So it should be a V8 in there. And whatever else is in there too, and Porsches, and amongst other things. So let me just show you guys some of the issues that I need to get fixed. Sorry about all the loudness. So when this car was fixed last time, whoever had the car before me, they had this issue here, and they just put a little bit of body filler here and a ceramic coat. This is a ceramic coat on top of it. That's why it's nice and shiny. And also they did the same thing here, right here. And you can even see some of the thing only came down right here. So this part is exposed too, just this part. So I'm gonna have them repaint just that lower body end, because if they repaint the whole bumper, that's a lot of work. When they could just do this part separate, or even blend it separate, and get all the excess that I couldn't get, like this stuff. Pull this stuff out for me, the trimming. Let's get all the white stuff from the wrap off, and then they're gonna clear broad. So I dropped the car off. There was a couple other things that need to be fixed too. There's a clip with one of the brackets on the top by the sunroof that's broken, and I'm gonna have them finally put the decals on the side of the car, the E63S, and the decals to the back. I'd rather have the cars how it comes from factory. The badging is cool and everything like that, but people keep thinking that I'm like E300 or an E43, and I'm not that until they hear me, to see me move. So nonetheless, they're gonna get rid of everything and PPF and everything like that. So they're telling me today is Monday, and they said I can have the car back by Friday. So hopefully they really get it done, and hopefully they really look out for me. And we're back. So we finally went to go pick up the car. Yes, and it was such a time crunch because I have a busy work schedule in the next 2-3 weeks, including this 63 Auto Body. And let's take a look at some of the repairs they did. So remember, we had some damage right here. I guess they did a quick blend to actually blend it in, so that is fully gone and not there anymore. And then we had some more damage right here. Once again, they did a nice quick blend, and it's not there anymore. Now, I must say some things for the video because of the time crunch situation. The bottom part is not PPF here at all, because there was some timing issue in my lifestyle and everything where I couldn't actually get everything installed. So we couldn't get everything fully finally wrapped for the front silver part just from here to here. And there was a couple other things I needed them to get done on the car, and with a time crunch they couldn't get it done, but this is the main reason why I came here. So all in all, it was quick service, but not everything was done in that time frame. So I am a slightly disappointed customer. But outside that, guys, you guys have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. I'm happy that the car is finally fixed. This car with a next surprise that really ended up pissing me off. Otherwise than that, guys, I appreciate it, guys. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Okay, so I do want to make a quick PSA. The owner of 63 Auto Body did take care of me because some of the stuff wasn't done. There was a reduction in price. Also, when I found out the price of the PPF just to do that lower part,
we choose to remove it because, yeah, it's a lot more expensive just to add the PPF. And I'm like, just for that bottom part, the top of the bumper is still PPF, but that little part, the bottom, isn't. So I just chose to not get that part PPF. And nonetheless, they did deliver and you get the car to me within the time frame. So I am thankful, and I'm going to continue to work with 63 Auto Body in the future because they always take care of all my cars. Thank you.
Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.